Hi, I'm JR Bonnefoy. I'm here at Samtec booth in a very busy DesignCon 2025. Samtec has several live product demonstrations highlighting our flyover high-speed cable assembly system for front panel, backplanes, and midboard applications. In today's demonstration, we use a microchip Meta DX2 Plus PHY to generate 112 gigabit per second PAM4 PRBS signals through all of the channels. The first demo shows our front panel connector systems, including a Novaray IO, flyover OSFP, flyover SFP, compared to a traditional QSFP DD. With flyover solutions, the signals travel from the PHY to near-chip connectors. This significantly reduces the PCB trace lengths compared to the traditional QSFP DD connection. Low-skew twin-ax assemblies allow more than 10 inches of reach inside the box to the front panel connectors. Outside the rack, passive copper cables loop the signals back to the SerDes for analysis. Looking at the results, there are two main takeaways. First, in addition to the extended reach, Samtec flyover cable system show better bit error rate by a few orders of magnitude compared to the traditional approach, thanks to Samtec's high-speed cable technology. Second, even though Samtec's flyover solutions have similar performance, the Novaray IO external cable allows an extra meter of length. The design of the Novaray IO connector improves performance compared to the small form factor pluggables. You are now looking at our second demo, which showcases our new Novaray backplane macro rugged system rated at 128G PAM4. The signals from the microchip PHY route through a 10-inch Novaray midboard cable assembly to the Novaray backplane connector. Outside the rack, signals go through a 1 meter long high-speed Novaray backplane cable before returning to the receiver. This 112 gigabit per second PAM4 long-reach backplane channel has 1.5 meters of Samtec high-speed twin-ax cable with 6 different connector interfaces. The bit error rate is several orders of magnitude better than the IEEE spec. In addition to these active demonstrations, we are also showing a mechanical rack based on the OCP standard built by Sanmina. The rack incorporates two high-performance Samtec backplane cable systems, Examax and Novaray backplane. Samtec can help customers with system-level integration of complex connector and cable systems, partnering with industry experts. If you have any questions, please contact us at sig@samtec.com. I am JR Bonnefoy. Thanks a lot for watching.